College life means long nights, early mornings, and tight budgets. Coffee becomes survival fuel, and a reliable machine can save money compared to daily cafe trips. Dorm rooms need small, practical brewers that don't take over the desk. The good news? There are excellent options built for students. Here are the best espresso and coffee machines for dorm life that balance space, price, and convenience. Number 1. Best overall, Cuisinart DCC-T20 Touchscreen 14-Cup Programmable. This model is a dorm hero for students who share space with coffee-loving roommates. The Cuisinart DCC-T20 combines modern design with practicality. The touchscreen is sleek, easy to wipe clean, and intuitive even for half-asleep mornings. With a large 14-cup carafe, it brews enough for group study sessions or early classes without repeated brewing. For a dorm that feels like a mini apartment, this machine delivers convenience and volume. Features of Cuisinart DCC-T20 Touchscreen 14-Cup Programmable. 14-cup glass carafe. Easy touchscreen display. 24-hour programmability. Adjustable brew strength. Why like it? Big capacity and easy scheduling mean less hassle in busy mornings. Strong or mild brew options cater to different tastes in a shared dorm. Why didn't like it? Bulkier than other picks. Might not fit well on smaller desks or shelves. Number 2. Best all-rounder, Cuisinart Perfect Temp 14-Cup Programmable DCC-3200. The DCC-3200 is all about balance. It offers a roomy 14-cup capacity but doesn't overcomplicate things. Students can set it up the night before and wake up to hot coffee waiting. The warming plate keeps coffee fresh for hours, which is perfect for back-to-back study marathons. This model suits students who want something reliable, stylish, and not overly expensive while still making cafe-quality coffee at home. Features of Cuisinart Perfect Temp 14-Cup Programmable. 14-cup capacity. Adjustable keep warm setting. Brew strength control. Easy clean design. Why like it? Flexible brew strength makes it easy to suit different moods. It's dependable, and the warming plate is great for slow mornings. Why didn't like it? Larger than compact single-serve models. Not great for students with extremely limited space. Number 3. Best for dorm, Hamilton Beach Brew Station Summit 4846. A unique design built for busy dorm life. Unlike traditional brewers, this machine stores coffee inside an internal tank. That means no carafe to wash, drop, or spill, a huge plus for students in a hurry. Dispensing with one hand feels fast and clean, perfect before class. The Brew Station Summit makes enough for multiple cups but doesn't require babysitting. It's a clever balance of space-saving, convenience, and practicality. Features of Hamilton Beach Brew Station Summit. 12-cup internal reservoir. One-hand dispensing. Programmable timer. No carafe to break. Why like it? Carafe-free system avoids mess. Compact design fits well in dorm corners. Ideal for quick refills without lifting or pouring. Why didn't like it? Internal tank needs extra effort to clean. Brewing speed is slower compared to single-serve machines. Number 4. Best compact, Keurig K-Express single-serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. Students with limited space will appreciate the slim Keurig K-Express. It's a single-serve brewer that makes coffee fast, often in under 2 minutes. Perfect for tight schedules and tight desks. The removable water reservoir is large enough for a few brews before refilling, but the machine itself remains compact and lightweight. For students who like variety, the K-Cup system offers endless flavors without requiring extra equipment. Features of Keurig K-Express single-serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. Single-serve brewing. Compatible with K-Cups. Removable 36-ounce reservoir. Slim design for tight spaces. Why like it? Simple, compact, and lightning fast. Wide range of flavors keeps things exciting. Why didn't like it? Pods add up in cost and create more waste. Limited to 1 cup at a time. Number 5. Best unique design, Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Mini Brew Switch Coffee Maker. A straightforward machine that works for students who just want coffee without fuss. The Mr. Coffee 5-Cup is compact, affordable, and built to last. It brews enough for 1 or 2 people without hogging counter space. The simple switch control makes it foolproof, even for students brewing their first pot. While it lacks advanced features, its reliability and price make it a strong pick for budget-conscious dorm setups. Features of Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Mini Brew Switch Coffee Maker. Compact 5-cup design. Easy switch operation. Grab a cup auto pause. Affordable price point. Why like it? Budget-friendly and reliable. Small footprint is perfect for tiny dorms. Why didn't like it? No fancy options. Coffee is basic compared to programmable or single-serve machines. Coffee fuels college life. The right machine saves money, time, and energy while fitting into a small dorm. From compact single-serve units to large programmable brewers, these picks offer something for every type of student. Whether you're sharing with roommates or brewing solo, a dependable espresso machine makes dorm mornings easier and nights more productive.